Let's consider these two sentences. Boris talks to me. We thought about him. In English, we have this concept of an object of a preposition. So we don't say Boris talks to I or we thought about he. Instead, we use the object pronouns me, him, after the prepositions to and about. Russian does something like this, but much more consistently. In English, only pronouns change form after a preposition. Nouns don't change. In Russian, though, nouns will usually take different endings after a preposition. Different prepositions will govern different cases. That is, they require certain sets of endings. Of the 6 Russian cases, there is one which never occurs without a preposition. So it makes sense that it's called the prepositional case. In this video, we'll talk about the prepositional case forms of nouns. Most nouns will take the ending ye, which is added onto masculine nouns. Чемодан, в чемодане. Словарь, в словаре. Let's think about spelling for a second. Notice how the only function of the soft sign at the end of словарь was to show that that final consonant is soft. The letter ye that we add also shows the preceding consonant is soft, so we don't need the soft sign anymore. We just replace it with the letter ye. With feminine and neuter nouns, the ye of the prepositional form replaces the final vowel of the nominative. Книга, в книге. Кухня, в кухне. Окно, в окне. Поле, в поле. There are some words, though, that have prepositional case endings in e. For example, some feminine nouns end in a soft sign, and in the prepositional case, these end in e. Кровать, в кровати. Тетрадь, в тетради. And there's one more group. Some nouns have nominative forms that end in и краткое, и я, and и е. And all of these, regardless of gender, end in a double ee in the prepositional. Кафетерий, в кафетерии. Россия, в России. Общежитие, в общежитии. Happily, the prepositional plural is a lot simpler. There's just one basic ending with 2 possible spellings. We'll use the spelling ach after stems ending in a hard consonant. Дом, в домах. Квартира, в квартирах. Окно, в окнах. And we use the spelling ях after stems ending in a soft consonant. Музей, в музеях. Словарь, в словарях. Кровать, в кроватях. And notice how we're dropping the и краткое and the soft sign before we add the ending. Summing up. In the prepositional singular, most nouns end in ye, в Москве, в Лондоне. Feminine nouns that end in a soft sign take the ending и, в кровати. Nouns in и краткое, и я, and и е end in и, в России, в общежитии. And plural nouns all have the same basic ending, spelled ach after hard consonants, ях after soft consonants. В городах, в словарях.